Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be showing you 4 to 5 hairstyles for styling my daughter's hair. Before we begin, I want to tell you guys a little about my business, Natalie Marie Kids. I sell children's and babies clothing, also accessories. In another video I'll be explaining to you guys what my business is and what I do for a living. So yeah, let's move on with the video. Today we're going to be filming some quick and easy hairstyles that I'm going to be doing on my daughter. So let's get started. All you're going to be needing is a spray bottle, some rubber bands, cute little hair bows like this. I got these on AliExpress. Look how cute these are, honey. And of course you're going to need a high chair with food inside because you're not going to be able to do this on your kid unless they cooperate, unlike mine. So the first hairstyle I'm going to do is pretty basic, and that is just 2 pigtails. So I like to spray my daughter's hair with a little bit of water just to loosen up the curls and to make it easier to work with. And with Aria, there's no way I'm going to be able to do this unless I have Mother Goose Club or, what's the other show she loves to watch? I can't remember the other show, but pretty much Netflix on... What's that? We're going to do your hair today. Now, it'd be also good if you had a comb to make sure the part here is really even. What do you want? You want the toothbrush? No? Do you want... Look at the spray bottle. Yeah. So I'm just going to use my fingers to part her hair. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, you want the puffs next. See if I can sit her up. So I'm going to use my fingers to make a little part down the middle of her hair. And then I'm going to gather up the front of her hair, grab a rubber band, and tie it up like so. I'm going to use more of the spray bottle just to define her curls a little bit, just with water. And I'm going to do the second pigtail right over here. I'll grab my rubber band. We'll see how long Ari's going to last. I try to make this really even and quick because Ari does not stay for nothing. She's like, no ma'am, not today. Well, look at how cute you look. So I just add a little bit of water just to define the curls. You can also use gel to make little baby hairs. So I have a little toothbrush. Where's my toothbrush? Oh, right here. Here's my little toothbrush, and I like to just frame the front part of her hair. Yeah. See, I've been looking cute, Mom. Yes! And then this is style number 1. Another cute way you can transform this style is to add a couple of baby bows. So I'm just going to put 2 right here. And this is style number 1. Super cute and easy and affordable. I'm so sorry about cutting off the top part of her hair, which is like one of the most important parts. But simple, and it literally took less than 5 minutes. And there she goes, ripping it out. My daughter does not like bows whatsoever. But I thought I'd show you guys some hairstyles that you could do on your daughter. But hopefully one day she'll be able to wear some bows. Hopefully, I don't know. Now on to style number 2. You are. The second hairstyle is going to be a half up, half down style. Super simple, and all you need to do is gather up the top portion of her hair, and then you're also going to do the same to this side. And I try to make sure the part in the back is pretty straight, so this is why a comb is very handy. And then I'm just going to grab a rubber band and put her hair up like so. And I'm pretty sure she's tilted, but oh well. Once again, I'm going to use a little bit of a toothbrush to just add a little bit of baby hairs and to frame her face. This is another really cute style you can do that requires little to no effort. And then one way I'm going to dress this up is with another bow. You can never get enough bows. You see how the baby hair is framed in the face and it looks absolutely adorable. Right, here is style number 3. This one is a classic style and it just requires to do a part. And I am going to twist the front section of her hair. Here's a part right here. I'm going to draw the part right there. And then I'm going to gently twist the front part of her hair. And I'm going to be gathering up her hair right there on the edge, leaving a little bit of hair right here. And this is how I did it. I just twisted up her hair and then I pinned it with this little hair bow right here. If you don't know how to twist, I would advise to watch a couple YouTube videos because I've learned since I was a child. My mom would braid and twist my hair. So I don't really, it's so hard for me to explain how to do it, but I pretty much go over and under. Guys, we're going to start with style number 4. And with this style, I'm basically going to do her hair down. This is pretty basic. And this is one where gel would come in handy. And then I'm going to use this cute little bow. You can never get enough bows. This bow I actually sell on my business called Nyla Marie Kids, which I will leave a link in the description and leave a link of the website below. I'll show you guys a little bit more of the collection of headbands that I sell. And this is a pretty basic hairstyle. And what really makes this hairstyle over the top is the addition of this bow. And I also just like framing her curls a little bit. And she has quite a lot of bit of baby hairs. So I like to just bring that up forward. So this is style number 4. It's super easy and quick. Oh guys, our tour is almost over. Alright, the last hairstyle we're gonna... Here you go. Ooh. The last hairstyle. And the last hairstyle we're going to do is a cute itty bitty space bun style. So it requires us to use this bow again. I'm going to add it to her hair and make sure I bring all of her hair back. And then I'm going to do the space bun tutorial. And I'm basically going to gather up all of her hair in the back. And with the space bun tutorial, the difference is you grab the hair and you're going to create like a little bun. And I like to frame it out like so. And then I do the same thing up here. Grab another rubber band. And then I'm going to try to make it as even as possible. This is style number 5. And we're also just going to frame her face by adding a little bit of those baby hairs. This is another cute style you can do for your daughter. And I gotta keep her occupied. Thanks so much for watching this video. And don't forget to thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.